Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys doing this week? I'm doing pretty good. It's a little late, it's Tuesday the 26th, and yeah, it's been a weird couple of days. But anyway, this is a collab with the Plan With Me design group, so definitely go down there in the description box and check out the link. It'll take you to a blog with the list of everybody that's in the group, and you can go and check out all their videos. So this week is the last part of June, first day of July, and because I'm crazy, I wanted 2 patriotic themed kits, one to cover this week and one to cover the actual week of the 4th. So this week I'm going to be using this kit called Picnic from HurricaneRandi, and it is on matte paper. So here are the full boxes with this adorable double box, the marble headers and littles, full ombre boxes, bottom washi, half boxes, sidebars, weekend banner, all that stuff, and date covers and things. I did just haul this kit, so if you guys saw that video, definitely you already know what's in here. And here's the freebie that she sent along with it. Now, I'm going to be bringing in silver into this spread, so, because I love silver and blue, I have this Scotch foiled silver washi, and I was thinking of bringing in something a little patriotic to go, like do this, a little bit of this, and maybe like I have these stars from Dollar Tree, but I feel like it's a little too blue. So I'm kind of thinking what to use with it, because I thought I had a ton of patriotic washi, but I really don't. I have some red foiled Ahoy and anchors, but this is like, maybe I'll just put this on here and then use this deco to kind of spread along the bottom washi to kind of make it decorative. Maybe that'll work. We'll see what I get into. But anyway, let's take a look back at last week. Here's last week, and as you can see, there's a lot of no ways, not today's, postponed, all those things. Actually, I need to put that on my little friend over here. Put a forgot on this one, because it's not that I actually forgot, but I didn't do anything that I was supposed to. So at the end of the entire week, it looks very no white space, which was not my intention. There is white space in there, a little bit, if you could find it. But this is what I had left of the kit from Plan to Be Fab, or formerly known as DEK Designs. So we'll put that in my leftovers pile. I gotta organize those again, because leftovers seem to build up. And I really like how it came out. I can tell you that it was very neat to use those colors after being very pink, and then it was a really good mix for me for June with the spreads. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this week, and I'm gonna do a little bit of, I don't know if it's gonna be super patriotic themed music. I'll see how I feel when I edit, but I think you guys will enjoy it. And if you do, hit that thumbs up button for me and subscribe if you're not already. And I will talk to you guys again at the end. So you know what that means. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so here is the finished spread, and I used up all the deco and I think it came out really, really cute. Oh, I forgot to cut the leg of the chair off. Let me just get rid of that little leg right there. Okay. So I used that sheet up, which was the freebie. I have some appointment label boxes, icons and washi, lots of little things, some flags, and a weekly ombre. And then I cut up the ombre lists, and the I used all the full boxes. So I'm going to hang on to these ombre half checklists. You never know when you can need them. And yeah, so that finishes up the spread, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about any stickers I use, just let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Don't forget to check out the Plan With Me design group down below. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.